Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video as the summer is here and all the days are hot and sweaty. But nevertheless, we all love summer from our clothes, parties and vacations. But don't forget food. And ice cream is my number one priority during this summer. And I'm sure it's yours too. So let's make some icy watermelon popsicles with a little twist. Let's go! So for these popsicles, I took 2 cups of watermelon and tried to remove maximum seeds out of it. And after that, grind it in juice. Now strain it to discard rest of the seeds and remove if there is any lumps. Now add sugar as per your requirement. Here I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar, and if the watermelon is very sweet, there is no need to add sugar. But adding sugar just depends how you want. Now mix this well until the sugar gets dissolved, and it might take 3 to 5 minutes. Now take the popsicle molds, and if you don't have popsicle molds, then you can use small glass or cup instead of it. Then fill it up with the juice, 3/4 part of it, and if you want add chopped watermelons, but I'm not adding it. Now cover it with the caps, and if you are using glass or cups, then you can use foil paper to cover it with. Now keep it in freezer for 2 to 3 hours, and remember, don't insert the stick now. Now don't throw this extra juice or don't drink this because we will be using it after 2 to 3 hours. Now it's going to be almost 3 hours. Take out the juice and add half cup of milk in it. Now mix it well and keep it aside. Now take out the popsicles and do not set it completely now. As you can see here, it is not set completely as well as it is not juicy. So I will refer you try to keep this consistency if you can. Now fill up rest of the mold with milk and watermelon juice just we made now, and actually this is optional, but last year I have tried with and without this many a times and this came out really so good. So I thought I will share this recipe with you all and I know you will love it. Now cover it up with caps and insert the sticks this time, don't forget it, and you can also use spoon instead of it. You can see it is looking little different. Now keep it inside freezer until it sets down completely, and that might take 8 to 10 hours. Now after 8 to 10 hours, take it out from the freezer and you can see how it is looking like. Now to demold it easily, keep this in water for 10 to 15 seconds and then pull it out very gently. Oops, it went out of the camera. Okay, so I will show you the next one. Follow the same process. Hold the stick, hold the mold and pull out very gently. And the watermelon popsicles are ready to enjoy with a new different taste. So I will say try this out and let me know how it tastes with this different twist in the comment section. Now enjoy this summer with this new and icy watermelon popsicles. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Uttara Home Kitchen. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.